Good morning, student. I am Miss S. Rizvi from Even Christian Public School. Now I am going to teach you computer science. Student, in previous session, we have seen the number system. Computer memory can support four type of number system: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. But in today's session, we will go to the number conversion, that is conversion of decimal to other number system, or conversion of decimal to binary number system, conversion of decimal to octal number system, and conversion of decimal to hexadecimal number system. If it is a decimal number, if it is a decimal conversion, then we have to divide the number with the base 2. If it is a octal conversion, then we have to divide the number with base 8. If it is a hexadecimal conversion, then we have to divide the number with the base 16. So, in today's video, we will learn the conversion of decimal to binary number system. Okay, so we can start. What are the steps? What are the steps to convert the decimal number into binary number system? Student, there are the following steps to convert the decimal number in binary number system. The first step, write down the given number or write down the decimal number. Next step means second step, divide the number with the base 2. Next step, write down the remainder on the right hand side, and the remainder is either in the form of zeros and ones. Next step, divide the result of the division again by 2 and again write down the remainder. At the last step, continue dividing and writing down the remainder until the result of the division is 0. Until the result of the division is 0. So, let us take an example of decimal number 45. Decimal number 45 to the base 10. Look at here, students. 45 to the base 10. Here the base is 10. It is a decimal number and it is converted into binary number. Binary number to the base 2. How it can be converted? If we want to convert the decimal number in binary number, divide the given number with the base 2. With the base 2, store the remainder and remainder will be the answer. So, steps are followed here. First step, student. First step. What are the first step? First step, write down the given number or write down the decimal number. So, write down the decimal number, that is 45. Next step, divide the number with the base 2. So, it can be divided by 2. So, it is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Next step, write the remainder on the right hand side. Here it is right hand side. R is the remainder. What is the remainder here? 1 is the remainder. Write down the remainder here. Next step, divide the result of the division by 2. Here the result of the division is 22. The result of the division is 22. Divide the result of the division by 2 and again write down the remainder. So again divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 0. Next step, Continue dividing and writing down the remainder until the result of the division is 0. Here the result of the division is 11. It is not 0. So continue divided by 2. It is divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. And remainder is 1. Again divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. And remainder is 1. Again divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. And remainder is 0. Again divided by 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. And remainder is 1. Student, here the result of the division is 0. The result of the division is 0. So stop dividing. Stop dividing. This is a remainder, and remainder will be the result of binary number system. Okay, and the remainder can be written from bottom to top. It can be written from bottom to top. Answer can be written as 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, so it can be written as 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, this is a representation of binary number. It consists only 2 digits. Binary number consists only 2 digits, 0 and 1. So answer in the form of 0 and 1s only. Answer in the form of 0s and 1 only. We should not get here. We should not get 2 as a result. We should not get 3 as a result. We should not get 4 as a result. Why? Because it is a binary number, and binary number consists only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. So answer in the form of 0s and 1s only. So keep on dividing the number with the base 2. We will get the remainder. We will get the remainder, and remainder will be the answer. Okay. So this is the simple way to convert the decimal to binary number. So this is the simple way to convert the decimal into binary number system. A student, if you have any doubt regarding the conversion of decimal to binary number, post your doubt on the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. Student, in next video we will learn the next conversion. Next conversion, that is the conversion of decimal to octal number system. Thank you, students.